video is something very special, and I'm really excited. People need a fantastic sound audio. Love towards the audio has been increasing day by day, and as we are seeing the feedback from the customers, from our relatives, from our viewers, we are really coming up with more and more better products with more and more better enthusiasm. So today's project is all about the audio upgrade, what we have done on this vehicle. And as you know, Audison has been our key product. Now, the most important question is why Audison? Audison has got an official solution for all the requirements and their options which is available for the car, which is made completely customized. So you should really have a wonderful experience. Today's project, I'm really excited to share you in detail how we have done in step by step the upgrade of the entire setup. You can see every frame has got some message to give you, how we have done the staging, how we have loaded up the setup, how we have phased up the tweeters, how we have fixed up the mid-range to give you the complete elevation of sound. Sound is just not about listening it, sound is all about experiencing it. And with today's generation, there are so many good singers which have come up, there are so many good music which has come up, and we really need to have a homeless, absolutely home experience in the car. So this is the car, so this is the setup. You shouldn't miss for your vehicle. Come, let's experience it. To start with, friends, the most important criteria of the audio setup is the damping. People generally miss on the damping part of it, and the most important criteria of this car is the damping part of it. Friends, we have installed this Dr. Artix, which is the Iridium series we have done on this, and the internal one we have installed the Gold series, where the vibrations are created the maximum. We have taken two different series to get the best output. This is the Iridium series damping, and along with this we have also installed the Gold series damp. We also used this Dr. Artix, that is the foam damping. The foam damping reduces vibrations of the door baffles. It really makes sound completely soundproof. So the sound traveling is really very good, and there is no distortion whatsoever. So this is the Dr. Artix, that is the foam damping which we have done. That is the third layer which I have used on the baffles. Along with this, friends, we have installed this Voce, that's a three-way component. The important aspects is the staging, how we have installed that setup. We have specifically made the pillar pod. We have installed the mid-range and the tweeters very nicely injected in the pillar pod, so that is creating a perfect elevation for the person sitting on the dash, on the driver side and the co-driver side to get a clear noise. He gets a clear frequency. He doesn't lose any frequency in the car, so the clarity becomes optimum. We have used the Voce coaxial for the back doors. The reason for fitting a Voce coaxial back doors is to give you a full range, and that is going to give you a good output. As usual, we have installed this Audison APPX10 DS. That is an active subwoofer, which is again a very, जैसे बोल रहा हूँ ना, छोटा प्रोडक्ट और बड़ा धमाका. जो उसका आउटपुट मिलता है, जो उसका बेस मिलता है, generally you don't tend to lose any space of your dicky, but the bass quality is super. Power this entire setup, friends, we have used this Audison, that is a processor 8.14 channel. We have used all the 8 channels directly with due respect of future upgrade. We are planning for a future upgrade, so we have used this Audison Forza 8.14 channel processor, which is giving you the optimum output, clarity and quality. Friends, you shouldn't miss it. You watch this video frame by frame. You will be able to listen. You will be able to listen to the audio quality also. And yes, the most important part, we are waiting for your requirement. Please make sure that you contact us and get your car done from us very, very, very soon. The important aspect of this setup is this beacon. As you guys know, the head unit doesn't have so much of power to drive. It works on a very less power. And with such a type of setup, where a Bluetooth streaming becomes very essential, people need a good signal processor. People need a good source where they can make their sound relevantly very nice. So Beacon is an ultimate solution. With Beacon and with this DSP Forza, they are combined with each other, gives you optimum output, and the clarity becomes next level. The video will show you the clarity, the video will give you the effect, how nicely it is sounding. So overall, this is the complete setup what we have done on this vehicle, and this staging, the output is fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. That's the only word I could remember, and you shouldn't miss it for your vehicle.
मस्तीची पिचकारी सोडीला गुल्हाल रे भिडभाड सोडून बेभान होऊन ठिकाणा घालूया रे भांगेच्या तारेत रंगाच्या धारेत राडा चल घालूया आला होळीचा सण लय भारी चल आला होळीचा सण लय भारी चल नाचूया आज फिरतीच्या रंगाची
तू मेरी अधूरी प्यास प्यास तू आ गई मन को रास रास अब तो तू मेरी अधूरी प्यास प्यास तू आ गई मन को रास रास अब तो तू आ जा पास पास है गुजारिश है हाल तो दिल का तंग तंग तू रंग जा मेरे रंग रंग बस चलना मेरे संग संग है गुजारिश कह दे तू हाँ तो जिंदगी चलनों से छूट के हंसेगी.
In addition to this, friends, we have also done the fog lamp, the light solution, which is we have replaced the bumper lamp to this Azum lights. That is the new generation light from Azum, which is a bifocal product. TS04 is the model number, and yes, the light is beautiful. Along with this, friends, we have also done the Cardine ambient lighting, which you can see here. There are various options. It is a completely OEM product, absolutely plug and play, no wiring cutting, no trimming. It is just do a plug and play installation. You can see how neatly the installation is done. Very beautiful it gives you, very beautiful ambience it gives you. You know, friends, the most important part of this car is I love what you have shared to us. This car is come all the way from Morbi. All my brothers are there taking the clips and already sharing it to you. But this car has come all the way from Morbi. That is in Gujarat, which is almost 1,000 kilometers from our place. and it's purely and purely the sound experience. It is purely and purely the education and the information what we have given to them, and that made us do this car. So I really thank you, all the viewers. We would really appreciate to give your views to us, to give your suggestion to us. We will make sure that we'll implement it and give the best output as we always try to give. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Keep watching BAFNA Cars on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you so very much. Thank you.